Today in this tutorial we will learn how to make this footer part dynamic. So first of all, open your code editor. Now inside our code editor we will make a new section. So come to section part, add new section. I am naming it as footer only foot dot record. So I am changing its name to foot, then add presets. Presets have two parameters. One is its name that I'm setting it as foot, and the second parameter is its category. I'm also naming it as foot. So now we will place our HTML code over here. I also have some JavaScript code for my footer, so I will just place it below my HTML code. As I have used my JavaScript tag over here, so I will remove it from there. Now if you look at to this code, you can see that I have three different menus for my footer, and the last one is its address bar basically. As you can see, this is first menu, this is second one, this is third one, and this is address area of my footer. So to make our links or menu dynamic, we will use our for loop. So first of all, inside our schema settings, I'll add the first entry of linked list. Linked list is used to add menus to our footer or header. Then its label would be menu 1 and its ID would be menu 1. So I forgot to write ID over here. So what's the error over here? Now we will add schema for our rest of menus. I'm just copying this and instead of menu 1, I'll write menu 2 over here. Again, I'll copy it and I'll write menu 3. So this was our schema for all our three menus. As you can see that there is showing an error. So the error is due to that I have written the wrong spellings of presets. So correct your spellings. Now you can see there is no error. Now over here, if I open my this UL for first menu, above this list I will add a for loop that will state for link in section dot settings dot menu 1, which is ID for my first menu, and I will end my for loop over here and for. Now I will delete my these LIs, and for the reference I will write link.url, and in place of about us I will write link.title. I will repeat the same step for all of my menus. So, and over here, just make sure to change its ID. And this is my third menu, basically. Menu 3. So over here we are done with our menu part. Now the next part is of that address column. So first of all, I will make a schema for our logo. For that, I will write type, that is image picker, then its label, which is select logo, then its ID, that is logo. Now the source of our image, I'll simply write section.settings.logo. I will use a filter that is image URL of image size. Now I will make 3 schemas for this address, font, and email. So in our schema section, first of all I will make for type is text, then label is of address, ID would be ADD, and default value. I'll just copy this. One for phone number, and I will change its ID to PH, and other one for email address. So email ID, and I will set its ID as email. Now I will just copy values for default, just get it, and over here I am writing section.settings.add, and I am placing its value in default of our address. Now just get the value of phone number. Over here I am writing section.settings.page, and just place this phone number in default value, and the last one is its ID. So section.settings.email, and finally I will place its email in this default value. So as you can see that we are done with all our code. Just save it. So if you remember that whenever we add a section in our customizer, there is an option to add section, but whenever we are adding our footer or our header, we have to add this from our themes. So over here I will open this themed.liquid and just above our script and all other things, over here we will we will actually call our footer. So first of all, write section and the name of your footer, which actually is foot in my case. The error that F should be capital. Now also save your theme. Now if we go back and open my customizer, one more thing, that inside our code editor, when we have written this for loop, inside after our ID we will add links in all our menus. Dot links and dot links. Now I will save it again. Now we again open our customizer. So you can see that over here there is an option of foot on it. So we have options to select 3 menus. Menu 1, I set it as footer menu. Menu 2 as footer menu 2. And 3 as footer menu 3. Now for image, I will select this logo and I can change these number or anything I want to change. So now just save it. So we are done with our footer.